Welcome to this tutorial on the abs command in Splunk SPL. The abs function is a mathematical evaluation function that calculates the absolute value of numbers. In simple terms, absolute value means removing the negative sign from any number, giving us the distance from 0. This function is essential when you need to work with magnitudes rather than directional values in your data analysis. The syntax for the abs command is straightforward. You use it within an eval statement as eval new underscore field equals abs open parenthesis numeric underscore field close parenthesis. The abs function takes a numeric field as its parameter and returns the absolute value by removing negative signs from numbers. This means negative 15 becomes positive 15, negative 250 becomes positive 250, and positive numbers remain unchanged. Let's look at a practical example to understand how abs works. Consider input data with temperature negative 15, profit negative 250, and score 85. When we apply the abs function, temperature negative 15 becomes positive 15, profit negative 250 becomes positive 250, and score 85 remains 85 since it's already positive. The abs function only affects negative numbers by converting them to their positive equivalents. Here's how you would use the abs command in a complete SPL query. First, you specify your data source with index equals sales. Then you use the eval command to create a new field called absolute underscore profit that contains the absolute value of the profit field. Finally, you use the table command to display the original product field, the original profit field, and your newly created absolute underscore profit field. This creates a new field with absolute values that you can use for further analysis. The abs command has several practical applications in data analysis. For financial data, you can calculate profit magnitude regardless of whether it's positive or negative, remove negative variance from calculations, and measure distance from target values. For performance metrics, it's useful for analyzing response time deviation from baseline, conducting error rate analysis by focusing on magnitude rather than direction, and performing performance comparisons where you need absolute differences between measurements. Let's summarize the key points about the abs command. First, it works exclusively with numeric fields, so make sure your data is in the correct format. Second, it converts negative values to positive while leaving positive values unchanged. Third, it must be used with the eval command to create new fields or modify existing ones. Fourth, it's essential for data analysis when you need to focus on magnitude rather than direction. Remember, the abs function removes negative signs for magnitude calculations, making it a valuable tool in your Splunk SPL toolkit. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.